everybody. We are now on number 9 of the lakes with our renovation project update. Typically, this is a pretty tough par 3 to end your 9 with. It's distance-wise hasn't changed. We've made the green a lot smaller. The right side of the green that was always unused is now gone. We've now transitioned that area into more of a bunker and rough area to kind of make the whole shape a little bit better. So in essence, the target we were always going to in the past is still the same target we're going for now, just around the green makes a lot more sense. We took out some trees behind the green to open up some sight lines a little bit, make the hole a little more visually pleasing. And all in all, it's just a lot of good changes here, and we look forward to keeping you updated on the woods project, which has started, but will continue in the spring and be open beginning of next summer.